start ploughing this morning with the 95E and the Lemkin Diamond 11. We got 9 furrows. I'm just starting on this headland. Hedge is never straight on these fields what I plough around here, so anyway, we're putting a straight in, so I've just put my scoops in all the way around the headland first. Now what I'm doing is just pulling 2 or 3 furrows away, ready to put that back in again. It always end up with a lot neater, a lot tidier job there, as you'll hopefully see when I get it back the other way. But yeah, just ploughing it out, just using the back furrow to make a furrow, so hopefully I can put that back in there quite neatly, and then we'll progress with how we get on later on in the day. I'll get the drone flying as well, and hopefully get some drone footage, and we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm waffling now, so I'll cut this here and I'll fold the bit back in and press play again. See you all in a bit. So here we are, and as you can see, we're now ploughing this furrow back in again, which I made coming down. Just running the track right along the edge of the furrow as if that's my ploughed work. You can just see there, and I'll zoom in a bit, and I'll show you what that's doing behind there. It's filling it in quite nicely. So you can see there, look, it's doing quite a good job in there now. So it's just sort of pulling it in well. So there's no sort of hills and holes as sometimes you see. There's that furrow there, look, just leaving it quite nice all the way down. But anyway, so that's how I do my start when we got lots of scoops, which we normally do on these sort of fields about here. But, anyway, that's my alarm going to say we're at the headland. We better turn around and come back. So here we are, we're now under satellite now, we're hands-free. The front furrow's probably just a little bit narrow, which I'm going to adjust that at the other end. I can nudge it across, which is what sometimes I normally do, but anyway, you can see that's matching up quite nicely now. There's a little bit of trash which is being turned into the bottom, which is quite nice. We ain't got to worry about spraying it off or anything like that. So this field is coming peas for next year, matter of fact peas, so it is our overwinter ploughing. The plough, I'm pulling 3.8 metres, which when you work that down is 43 centimetres per furrow. Because I know somebody had asked yesterday what furrow width we sort of plough at. And I sort of answered, and I thought, well, I'll put this little video together and put it out there, and you can see what we're up to or what we're doing in this part of Norfolk. So we're in mid-Norfolk. But yeah, so this is me for the rest of the day. In fact, the rest of the week. Well, it is Friday. So into next week, all of next week, and then probably half of the next I shall be busy ploughing. With this setup. So we've got the 95E on the front, which she just sits there at well, I'm doing 1450 RPMs at the minute, so she hardly knows I'm even on the back. But obviously when it gets wet, that's a different story. So that's quite nice that I got the vary width, and if need be I can close it up. So anyway, I hope this video is sort of a bit of help to someone out there, and a little bit of information for you. And I will upload, I'll put this on YouTube, and I'm going to try and make the channel a bit more than what it is, so we'll see how it goes. But anyway, happy Friday everyone. I just thought I'd add this to the video as well, that soil conditions are really really quite good. Not too wet, not too dry. You can see there that, I mean, I'm ploughing between 8 to 9 inches there. I never plough really any deeper than that. There's really no need for it, to be honest. All you end up doing is just pulling that sort of clay, that subsoily, you know, that orangey colour up. It's just no good really. It needs to be left where it is. Anyway, that's our soil type what we've got. I'll go around the back of the plough and have a look around there. Well, there's the old 95E. You see, she looks a picture. Absolute picture this time of the morning. Look, cleaned it last night, so there she is. Bless her. 25 years old. Just go round to the back of the plough. I always just like to keep an eye on it and make sure that's running level, running upright really. Must always run upright properly. You see she's running true. Furrows look nice and even. See how the trash is just going into the bottom. Definitely full in there. Nice wide furrow, like I say, 43 centimetres we're running at, and it turns it in well. I've got that front furrow adjusted just about right now, I'd say, that she's there. But yeah, oh look, a sugar beet from last year. Look. Anyway, breakfast time. I'll do another video and hopefully join them all together. Just to add to the video, look, I'm standing on the catwalk now, just looking behind, looking at the ploughing. It's on satellite, so let's hope it stays on track. What a lovely morning. Anyway. Love a nice straight furrow with the old satellite. Looks well. I'll do a bit more and add it to the video, see how we get on. In case you're wondering who's actually doing all the talking and on the video, and anyway, this is me, I'm Mark. Spend quite a bit of time in here, as you can imagine, but anyway, so this is me. Happy Friday.